Chapter 2 Inverse Trigonometric Functions table we are going to make today. See, you all know the standard table for trigonometric functions. 0, 30 degree, that is pi by 6, pi by 4, that is 45 degree, pi by 3 60 degree, pi by 2 90 degree. This table we already know for all 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, sec, cosec, tan and cot. In sine, the value starts from here: 0, sine 0 is 0, sine pi by 6 1 by 2, sine pi by 4 1 by root 2, sine pi by 3 root 3 by 2 and sine pi by 2 1. Now for inverse trigonometric values we have to extend it. So for the extension we should know sine function is 1 1 and onto in which quadrants. So sine function is 1 1 and onto in first and fourth quadrant. Sine function is 1 1 and onto in first and fourth quadrant, that is minus pi to pi by 2. Okay, so we need the values in these two quadrants. So in first quadrant we already know. Now we have to find out its value in fourth quadrant, means we have to move back side. Okay, so then here when it comes 0, when we move ahead here you will get pi by 6, and you move back side here you will get minus pi by 6. So I need the values of minus pi by 6, then minus pi by 4, then here minus pi by 3 and minus pi by 2. Okay, so coming sine 0 is 0. Now sine minus pi by 6, how to find out sine minus pi by 6? We know sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So sine of minus pi by 6 will be minus of sine pi by 6. So we will get minus 1 by 2. Or in other words, we should know minus pi by 6 is in fourth quadrant. Minus pi by 6 is in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant sine function is negative. So answer will be minus, and the value will be same of what? Sine pi by 6. So minus 1 by 2. Same, the sine of minus pi by 4 will be minus 1 by root 2. Same concept. Sine of pi by 3 we know root 3 by 2. Sine of pi by 3 we know root 3 by 2. So sine of minus pi by 3, sine of minus pi by 3 will be minus root 3 by 2. Same way, sine of pi by 2 is 1. Sine of pi by 2 is 1. So sine of minus pi by 2 will be minus 1. Now in second quadrant, if it is in second quadrant, then we have to bring it in first or fourth quadrant for the which one? 1 1 and onto function, then only its inverse axis. So here in second quadrant we don't have the values here. We have to bring them in first or fourth quadrant, then we can find with the help of these first and fourth quadrant values. Okay, now cos function is 1 1 and onto in first and second quadrant, means between 0 to pi. So we need the values in first and second quadrant, so that we can find out the inverse also. If we know the values of cos in first and second quadrant, then we can find out its inverse. Okay, so we know cos 0 1, cos pi by 6 root 3 by 2, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, cos pi by 3 1 by 2 and cos pi by 2 0. Okay, now we have to move ahead as we want to get the values in second quadrant. So these are the values: 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 6 and pi. These are the values in second quadrant. Here it is suppose pi by 3, that is what? 60 degree. Then this will be 90. This will be 2 pi by 3. This will be 2 pi by 3, like that. This will be 3 pi by 4. This will be 5 pi by 6. Okay, so we are getting the values. Cos of 2 pi by 3. How to find out the value of cos of 2 pi by 3? You should know 2 pi by 3 is lying in their second quadrant. As it is in second quadrant, the value of the cos is negative, so you have to put minus. And the value of cos pi by 3 only you have to keep. So cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2. Same way, cos 3 pi by 4 minus root 3 by 2. Cos 5 pi by 6, cos 3 pi by 4 will be minus 1 by root 2. And cos of 5 pi by 6 will be minus root 3 by 2. And cos of pi, you know it is minus 1. Cos of pi, the value is minus 1. Here a dash, the coordinates of a dash are minus 1 0. So the coordinate of x coordinate of a dash is minus 1. Okay, so this and now in fourth quadrant if the values are in fourth quadrant, then we have to bring them in first and second quadrant, because in fourth quadrant cost function is not 1 1 on 2. In fourth quadrant cost function is not 1 1 on 2, so we have to bring it in first or second quadrant. So these values we are not bothered here, we are not thinking about these values. Now same way for sec, I told cos, sec and cot in first and second quadrant they are defined. So fourth quadrant we will not write its value. So here in fourth quadrant the values will be dash, we write here. Now sec of, this is the table of sec 0 1, sec pi by 6, 2 by root 3, sec pi by 4, root 2, sec pi by 3, 2, and sec pi by 2 is undefined. Now we have to proceed in second quadrant. So sec 2 pi by 3 is, in second quadrant sec function is negative, so your answer will be minus 2. The value will be of sec of pi by 3 only, pi by 3 value only we have to write. Then you will get minus root 2, then you will get what, minus 2 by root 3, and here you will get minus 1. Okay, now in cosec again I told in first and fourth quadrant, in first and fourth quadrant sine, cosec and tan are defined, are 1 1 on 2, so its inverse exists. So for the value of inverse we need only in first and fourth quadrant, second quadrant we don't bother. So values in second quadrant, if it is coming then we have to bring it in first and fourth quadrant. Okay, now we will see the value. Cosec minus pi by 6, cosec minus pi by 6, cosec pi by 6 is how much, 1 by 2, and in fourth quadrant cosec function is negative, in fourth quadrant cosec function is negative, so we have to write minus, and value of pi by 6 only will write minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and here it will be minus 1 by root 2, same value with negative sign of pi by 4, then here minus 2 by root 3, same as the value of cosec pi by 3 is 2 by root 3, so cosec of minus pi by 3 will be minus 2 by root 3, then minus 1. Cosec pi by 2 is 1, so cosec of minus pi by 2 will be minus 1. Okay, now same way tan is defined in which, first and fourth quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant tan function is negative, so just these values you have to write here with negative sign. So cosec pi, tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3, so tan minus pi by 6 will be minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, tan of pi by 4 will be minus 1, tan of minus pi by 3 will be minus root 3, because in fourth quadrant tan function is negative, and tan of minus pi by 2 is undefined. Okay, and in fourth quadrant we have to keep the values in, we have to bring it in first and second quadrant. Now for cot, fourth quadrant we have to keep dash, and in second quadrant just to change the sign, cos of pi by 3 we know cot of pi by 3 is 1 by root 3, so cot of 2 pi by 3, cot of 2 pi by 3 will be what, minus 1 by root 3. Why? Because in second quadrant cot function is negative, and cot of 3 pi by 4 will be minus 1, cot of 5 pi by 6 will be minus root 3, and cot of pi means cos pi upon sin pi will get what, undefined. So these are the values of the trigonometric functions in first and fourth quadrant sometime, and in first and second quadrant sometime. For sine, tan and cosec it should be in first and fourth quadrant, and for cos, sec and cot it should be in first and second quadrant. Okay, now how to find out the values in inverse? Suppose you are asked what is the value of sine inverse of 1 by root 2. So first of all you see in the table, sine of what gives 1 by root 2. So sine of pi by 4 gives 1 by root 2. Sine of pi by 4 gives 1 by root 2. It means sine inverse of 1 by root 2. Sine inverse of 1 by root 2 will be what, pi by 4. So with the help of this table you can find out all inverse values. Suppose you are asked to find out the value of sine inverse of 2 pi by 3. But 2 pi by 3 is in what, second quadrant, so we cannot find. Sine inverse of minus pi by 6 as it is in fourth quadrant, yes we can find. Sine inverse of minus pi by 6, so sine of minus pi by 6 is what, minus 1 by 2. Sine of minus pi by 6 is what, minus 1 by 2, means sine inverse of minus 1 by 2, sorry I did mistake, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 we want to find out. So sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 if you want to find out, see from the table where minus 1 by 2 is lying. where minus 1 by 2 is lying under a column of minus pi by 6. So sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 will be minus pi by 6. Same way, suppose you are asked to find out cot inverse of minus 1. So cot inverse of minus 1, see in the row of the cot table where it is minus 1, here under which column? 3 pi by 4. So answer is cot inverse of minus 1 is 3 pi by 4. As cot of 3 pi by 4 is minus 1, cot inverse of minus 1 will be 3 pi by 4. So this is the way to find out the values of the inverse trigonometric functions in their respective domains.